Whenever teachers are asked about the correction work, why the correction work is pending, one common answer they give is they don't have enough time for correction. This is common in almost all the schools with almost all the teachers. If you are also facing the same problem, this video is for you. Kindly watch this video without skipping anywhere till the end. Namaste to everyone. As teachers, we have to understand why we are doing the correction. What is the reason behind doing the correction? The main objective of doing correction is we want our students to correct their mistakes and learn the proper spellings. But this does not happen at all throughout the academic year. Teachers will be correcting the notebooks, but students don't show any kind of improvement throughout the academic year. Teachers do a lot of hard work, but we also should learn how to do smart work. Usually, what teachers do after completing a particular lesson, they will ask children to write the classwork and then submit the classworks for correction. But before taking notebooks for correction, teachers have to do one very important task, and this is what I call as smart work. As teachers, we have to understand that there are three groups of children in the class. First group of children write the classworks very neatly without making any spelling mistakes. They write it so perfectly and their handwriting is too good. These are first group of students. Second group of students are the students who make mistakes here and there, and the third group of children make a lot of mistakes while writing classworks. You can find mistakes in each and every line, each and every sentence. These are the third group of students. After identifying these three groups of students in the class, what teachers have to do is they have to collect classworks from the first group of students and then they have to correct it thoroughly and then return it back to the students. Then they have to make groups in the class and they have to make sure that in each and every group there will be a first group student who writes without making any spelling mistakes, and a student from the second group and also a student from the third group who makes lot of mistakes. After making groups, teachers have to give these first group students classwork to these groups and ask these children to correct their notebooks by themselves. They have to go through word by word, sentence by sentence, and they have to correct their mistakes. If they are writing in pencil, they have to erase and write it properly. If they are writing in pen, then they have to put a small cut on the wrong word and write the correct word on the top. After children complete their correction, then teachers have to take these books for correction and correct them and then give it back to students. See, teachers, if you do this practice continuously in your classes, what happens? These children, they will learn the proper spellings. While correcting, they will come to know what mistake they have done, where they have gone wrong, and what is the correct spelling. And when it becomes a practice, slowly they will start reducing the mistakes and then they will start writing correctly. As per the availability of time in your respective schools, you can do this activity with students. So students also get benefited. You can also save your time in correction work. Lastly, I would like to say one thing. This cannot be implemented in the lower classes like first standard, second standard, or the nursery classes because their children require a lot of support from teachers while writing. Dear teachers, if you find this video useful, please mention in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that you get notification as and when the video is uploaded. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Again, I'll meet you all with my next video with some more tips. Until then, bye. Namaskar. Dhanyavad.